Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to fix your network is not registered on your Samsung phone. So the first thing you want to do is just swipe down from the top right, and you want to make sure mobile data is turned on. So you can see it right here. So mobile data is turned off. You can try turning it off and on as well, just to kind of like reset your network. So just turn this on and off and make sure it's on. Also, you could try turning on airplane mode for a little bit. Turn this on for about 30 seconds. It will kick you off the network, and then when you turn it off, it should put you back on the network. So you can see there's the little airplane symbol right there, so we can just turn this on, make sure mobile data is turned on, and then you should see the bars and the network connect right here. So I should be able to use the internet now, but I'm connected to Wi-Fi. So let's go to settings now, go to connections, scroll on down to where it says mobile networks. And then just make sure these different options are turned on, like mobile roaming. Using mobile data while roaming may result in additional charges, so just a heads up. I think most plans in the US kind of allow that. Then allow 2G services, so if you go into an area that doesn't allow like 3G or 4G or 5G or wherever, you can kick back to that really old network. And then we can go on down to the preferred mode right here. So I have the LTE preferred on. We could try a different one on here. I only have 3G. 3G is going to be quite a bit slower than LTE. I think LTE is 5G. So you could just try a different network under here. Then we can go to network operators and select this. And we can turn this off. It says select automatically. Let your phone choose the best mobile network for you. If you turn this off, you can choose from a list of available networks. So you can just turn this off, and it's scanning and searching for networks, and you can just choose those manually. So you can try turning this off and turning this on, and it will just automatically connect you to a specific network right there. Then also for the access point name, whatever you have in here should be good, but you can just go to the top right and go to reset to default if it's not working. All APNs you have added will be removed. The other APNs will be reset to their default. So if it's not working, we can just select it here, and I'm just using T-Mobile US ltfast.tmobile.com. So I have it right there. So just go to these options and just make sure everything is connected and working right there. And I don't think there's really any other options in here. If you did try messing around with your DNS or something like that, or if you have your VPN enabled, just make sure your VPN is probably turned off at the moment. And then you can go to your DNS and try turning it off and see if that works. Otherwise, just keep it on automatic. Now we can go back, and the last thing we want to do is just make sure all our settings are just reset for our network. So going down all the way to the bottom to About Phone, choose this, go all the way down, and then go to Software Information right here. Actually, let's go back. Let's go to where it says Reset. Go to Reset right here. And then we want to go to where it says Reset Mobile Network Settings right here. And this will reset all the mobile network settings back to the default. So you got to type in your PIN. So if you have any kind of problem with it, if you just reset it right here, well, it's going to restore it to the default settings, and you should be good to go. But I hopefully one of these tips did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.